Welcome to the top picks. The best silicone air fryer liner is probably one of the most innovative and practical kitchen accessories to hit the market in recent years, designed to revolutionize how you cook and clean your favorite air-fried foods. This versatile liner not only protects your air fryer basket from sticky residue and stubborn food particles, making cleanup a breeze, but it also enhances your cooking experience by promoting better air circulation for crispier results. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or just starting your culinary journey, this simple yet effective tool can significantly upgrade your air frying game, saving you time and effort while ensuring delicious meals every time. Number 5. 2-pack Silicone Air Fryer Liners Reusable. Introducing our reusable silicone air fryer liners, designed to make your cooking easier and healthier. They are made from food-grade silicone, ensuring safety and durability for all your culinary adventures. Tired of scrubbing? These non-stick liners make cleanup a breeze. Simply rinse with water or pop them in the dishwasher for a hassle-free experience. Say goodbye to flammable parchment paper. Our silicone liners are a safer, eco-friendly, and cost-effective alternative that reduces waste and saves you money. Experience crispier meals with our upgraded design. The smooth inner surface and raised bottom lines ensure even heat distribution and easy grease drainage. These liners are more than just for air fryers. Use them as baking mats, oven trays, or even in your Instapot. They are perfect for cooking a variety of foods. Featuring 2 strong handles, these liners are easy to lift and store. They are a must-have kitchen gadget for any home, RV, or outdoor camping trip. What we like? This option features raised lines for even heat distribution and 2 convenient handles. If you are looking for a liner that helps your food cook more evenly and makes it easier to remove from the air fryer, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want a healthier meal with crispier results. What people say. The silicone air fryer liner is easy to clean and prevents food from sticking. It fits perfectly in my air fryer basket and makes cooking more convenient. The material is durable and can withstand high temperatures, ensuring safe use. Number 4. Buauty 8-inch Air Fryer Silicone Liners, 3-pack. Enjoy worry-free cooking with these liners, made from food-grade silicone. They are heat-resistant up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, offering a safe and reusable alternative to disposable parchment paper. Designed to fit most 3.6 QD to 6.8 QD air fryers with an 8-inch basket. They are also compatible with various popular brands and can be used in ovens and microwaves. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to their non-stick surface. Simply rinse or toss them in the dishwasher to keep your air fryer basket clean and free from residue. The raised lines promote better heat circulation for evenly cooked food. Integrated handles make removal safe and easy, protecting your hands from burns. Beyond air frying, these liners are perfect for baking, grilling, and steaming in various appliances. They make a thoughtful gift for any cooking enthusiast. What we like? This set comes with 3 8-inch liners, perfect for slightly larger air fryers or if you want spares. The raised lines ensure even cooking, and the handles make removal safe and easy. If you need a versatile liner that fits most standard air fryers and want to avoid sticky messes, this is the one for you. What people say. The silicone air fryer liner is easy to clean and reuse, saving you the hassle of scrubbing the air fryer basket after every use. Its non-stick surface prevents food from sticking, ensuring even cooking and easy removal of your favorite dishes. The flexible design allows it to fit most standard air fryer baskets, providing a convenient and practical cooking solution. Number 3. XIILSIE Air Fryer Silicone Pot. Tired of cleaning your air fryer basket? This silicone pot makes it a breeze to enjoy delicious meals without the sticky mess. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your food. Designed to fit most 3 QD to 5 QD air fryers, this liner is compatible with a wide range of popular brands. It's the versatile accessory you need for all your air frying adventures. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, it can handle extreme temperatures, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. This reusable liner is built to last, offering hundreds of uses without deforming. The unique raised lines enhance heat circulation, ensuring your food is cooked evenly and perfectly. Keep your meals looking great and tasting even better, without any impact on flavor. Cleaning up is as simple as flipping it inside out and washing. It's completely dishwasher safe, freeing you from the hassle of hand washing and keeping your air fryer pristine. What we like. Designed specifically for smaller air fryers, 3 to 5 cutie, this round liner offers excellent heat resistance and a food-safe construction. If you have a compact air fryer and prioritize a safe, non-stick surface that's easy to clean, this is an excellent option for hassle-free cooking. What people say. This air fryer liner is easy to clean and reusable. The silicone material is heat-resistant and durable. It fits perfectly in my air fryer basket and allows for even cooking. Number 2. Vangerute Collapsible Air Fryer Silicone Liners, Red. Tired of scrubbing your air fryer? Our improved liners are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. They protect your basket, so you can say goodbye to cleaning headaches and enjoy lasting durability. Experience optimal cooking results with our special drainage system. It directs grease to the edge, ensuring better contact between your food and hot air for perfectly fried meals every time. Maximize your kitchen space with our innovative collapsible liners. They fold down compactly for easy storage. Plus, the convenient side ears double as handles for safe removal or can be used for hanging. Cook with confidence using our BPA-free, food-grade silicone liners. They are safe for direct food contact and can handle high temperatures up to 434 degrees Fahrenheit. Their sturdy 2 mm thickness ensures stability during use. These liners aren't just for air fryers. They are compatible with toaster ovens, steamers, microwaves, and instant pots. They are the perfect accessory for your Ninja Foodie Dual Air Fryer. What we like. This unique liner boasts a collapsible design for easy storage and a special 3D grease drainage system. If you have a larger, dual basket air fryer like the Ninja Foodie and are short on storage space, this rectangular liner is a game changer for efficient cooking and easy cleanup. What people say. The silicone air fryer liner is easy to clean and reusable, saving you the hassle of scrubbing the air fryer basket after each use. Its non-stick surface prevents food from sticking, ensuring that your meals come out perfectly cooked without any mess. The flexible design allows for easy handling and fits most standard air fryer baskets, making it a versatile accessory for any kitchen. Number 1. 3-pack non-stick silicone baking mats. Introducing our set of silicone baking mats, designed to make your baking experience a breeze. They are incredibly easy to clean, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Crafted from food-grade silicone, these mats ensure even heat distribution for perfectly baked goods every time. They are built to last and can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy the convenience of a superior non-stick surface. Your creations will release effortlessly, eliminating the need for extra grease or parchment paper for healthier baking. These versatile mats aren't just for cookies and bread. They're also perfect for holding dinner plates and utensils, making them a handy kitchen essential. This set includes 3 mats, 2 large ones and 1 smaller one, providing the perfect size for all your baking projects. What we like. This set includes multiple sizes, making them incredibly versatile for various baking needs beyond just air frying. If you enjoy baking cookies, macarons, or bread and want a reliable, non-stick surface that ensures even heat distribution and easy cleanup, these mats are a must-have in your kitchen. What people say. The silicone air fryer liner is a game changer for easy cleanup. No more scrubbing stuck on food. I love how the raised edges of the liner catch any grease or drips, keeping my air fryer basket spotless. The flexible silicone material makes it super easy to lift out the food and the liner after cooking. It's also dishwasher safe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.